Here at Festive Glow, where holiday magic comes to life. We are a one-stop destination for all your holiday lighting needs. We are your creative partner in bringing vibrancy and joy to your holidays. In a world where color and light intersect, welcome to the realm of RGB technology, an innovation designed to illuminate your world with unparalleled vibrancy and joy. With the power of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and with a cutting-edge smartphone and app, command each LED to your whim and showcase your own light show at your fingertips. These aren't your run-of-the-mill blinking string lights. These are tools of transformation, capable of turning your space into a vibrant wonderland. With us, you can fill your tree or decor with over 16 million colors and a plethora of pre-made spectacular effects, gradients, and mesmerizing color animations. But why stop there? Unleash your creativity crafting your own unique design, or elevate your lighting effects by syncing them to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. With Festive Glow, your holiday decor is guaranteed to leave everyone in awe. Whether it's for Christmas, Hanukkah, Halloween, or any holiday or party, let us transform your home, business, or event into a stunning display of light and color. Don't hesitate, reach out to us today to make your lighting dreams a reality.